following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Menominee County, northern Oconto County, southeastern Langlade County until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near White Lake, or 15 miles east of Ontego, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. The severe thunderstorm will be near White Lake around 6:30 p.m. Gardner Dam Scout Camp around 6:35 a.m. Mountain around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Boot Lake Campground, Townsend, Elton, Upper Base Lake, Boulder Lake Campground, Hollister, Langlade, Lakewood, Crooked Lake, and Zoar. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Langlade, Menominee, and northern Oconto.